What's up, 313 Squad? It is your girl 313 Retro Queen, and it is Labor Day 2020. So I got something a little different for y'all. It's a mid women's. Not sure, but I am really happy about it. But Nike has been doing some fire stuff for women this year. So although life-wise it's been a shitty 2020, but the ladies on these Nikes and these Jordans, it's been adventurous. It's been nice. I can say I've been getting down with what they've been doing with Jordan Brand and Nike for the ladies. Today I got some kicks I want to share with y'all that I picked up. I saw these on one of my news blogs. I was looking at one of my sneaker vlogs. They don't really seem to have a solidified release date, so it's kind of like catch them where you can. I saw them on one site, but I really wasn't feeling paying $25 for shipping when I knew somebody else was gonna have these and I was gonna be able to get my shipping for free. So I waited, and my patience paid off. Couple things, just so you know, Who Has the Heat is airing in our first battle of season 5 coming up this Saturday, September 12th. We will be live doing that on the Who Has the Heat YouTube page. So if you guys can take some time to search for that page, go ahead and subscribe to that page, turn on the notification bell so you know when we're dropping our lives. You don't miss any important information, because we'll be doing that solely now on the Who Has the Heat YouTube page, just like that. And then on IG, you can also find information on the Who Has the Heat IG page as well. If you are not following my bros, E-Money Shoes, PM Kicks, MCFLY KOF, I don't really know who else you'd be following. So you need to follow them, get y'all some dope content, find out if you want to buy sneakers. I mean, you know, that's what this is all about. So let me let y'all know right now, like I said, I've been after this shoe. If y'all been following the channel lately, I've been doing some things with some bold colors. I love prime colors. I love bright colors. I like colors in my shoes. So, I mean, I feel like, you know, your shoes bring out your personality, and whether you want to hide it, whether you're shy, whether you're not, your shoes gonna tell it all. Here's the box they came in, women's ones box, if you want to call it that, I guess. Here's the tag. If y'all see on here, it says Women's Air Jordan 1 Mid SE, black, university red, size 7.5, and those bad boys are $125. So you can use coupons with these too, people. So, you know, if you got a coupon, put that bad boy to use. You got a gift card, put it to use. This is a women's release. It is a mid. There's no official name for these. You see that right there? Here we go. These shoes are so dope to me. It is a mixture of textures, which I love that Jordan Brand is starting to do right now. So on these, we have patent leather, we have leather, and we have nylon. So to kick these boys off, if y'all want to check out that outsole, it is all black. There you have it. You got the white midsole. Then coming around the back, you have 3, 4, 5 colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors in the back of that bad boy. You got your green heel here. You got your swoosh, little swoosh little swoosh tails coming back here. They're white. You got the little piece that connects them. That's a patent leather black. Then you got this royal blue up here by the ankle collar, and the high part of the mid ankle, you have this patent leather red. Very, very dope. Off to the side, you can see all of those colors here. You got the white swoosh, you got the patent leather black underlay here. And then around the front of it, you got that orange toe box. You still see that patent leather black wrapping around the toe. Then you have black laces. One of the dopest things about this shoe is the fact that the front of this shoe, the tongue of the shoe, I should say, I'm sorry, is like a nylon material, and it's a light blue color. And if you see that tongue tag you got on there with that Jordan Jumpman on there, I'm sorry, you got the Jumpman and the Air on that tongue, and it looks identical to the lateral side on the medial side. Very, very dope. Black sock liner and a, I don't know if you can see it, but it looks like a red Jumpman in there. You probably can't see it, it's a little dark. I apologize for that. But and also you got the black Wings logo on there showing up on that shoe. So like I said, I'm loving the prime colors. Kind of reminds me of one of my favorite toys, which is a Rubik's Cube. It's just the only thing is missing on here is the yellow, you feel me? And I show y'all these shoes so y'all can see what's out. I cop what I like, but I want to bring it to you just so you can see if, you know, it's something you're thinking about buying. You know, maybe you weren't thinking about it before, but seeing them up close. Here is the other shoe. One dope thing about this, which I don't really get it, but the laces that come. There's an extra set of laces with these mids. Y'all check that out. See that? It is like a red bandana lace, flat lace that goes with that comes with these, I should say. Cause you know what? Maybe I will throw that yellow in there so I can give myself that Rubik's Cube look that I'm really wanting to have to go with these. So y'all let me know what y'all think. I'm gonna do an on feet, of course, of these so y'all can get a feel for them and see how they look. And we're gonna hit that up right now.